Today we're going to start talking about biomes and aquatic ecosystems. One thing I want to tell you is a biome is actually a very large geographic area that has similar climate, flora, and fauna. Flora meaning plants, and fauna meaning animals. You'll notice that biomes are identified by four basic criteria. One of those being climate, which is average temperature and rainfall, or weather patterns over a long period of time, how close they are to the equator or proximity to the equator. The types of plants and animals that live there round out the four criteria that'll help you identify a biome. However, biomes are different than ecosystems because an ecosystem is much smaller and is a community of organisms in their abiotic environments. We will talk about those later in this presentation. Please watch the following 3-minute video and enjoy a little bit about biomes. Well, now that you got to see a bunch of the majestic places on our planet and the beautiful creatures that our world has to offer, we can explore our first biome. The first biome I'm going to talk about is the temperate deciduous forest. The word deciduous, or to deciduate, means to fall off. As you can tell, in this biome, deciduous trees will shed their leaves to save water during the winter or during the dry season. The average rainfall is around 75 to 125 centimeters, which is a moderate amount. The average temperature in summer is around 82 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be warmer or a little cooler, but the average is 82. In the winter, it's 43 degrees Fahrenheit on average. It can get colder or a little bit warmer. And this is the only biome that has 4 seasons. As you can tell by the map, the temperate deciduous forest is located primarily in North America, Europe, a little bit of Asia, and Australia. If you'll notice right here is Georgia, so you live in the temperate deciduous forest. Because you live here, I can go a little bit faster about the types of flora or plants that you'll find here. Shrubs, grasses, pine trees, ferns, dogwoods, hardwood trees like oaks and maples, and moss are often the plants or vegetation that you'll find in the temperate deciduous forest. The animals or fauna that you will find here, if you're a hunter, most of you like hunting deer because it's deer season. Rabbits, insects, squirrels are found here. Many variety of fish, cows, snakes, both venomous and non-venomous, are found in Georgia and in the temperate deciduous forest. Many species of birds and bears are found here. Do be careful with bears because it's mainly brown bears and black bears found here, not grizzly bears. One of the big concerns or environmental issues that we have with the temperate deciduous forest is some overgrazing animals like deer, which is why we have a hunting season to control their population. Another major concern, and as we humans overpopulate, we tend to destroy the environment when we build subdivisions, hospitals, malls. In this process, when we completely kill or destroy or cut out an entire area of trees is called deforestation. At this moment, you'll notice that your teacher or substitute should have handed you these Frayer model notes. It's a great way to take notes in an organized fashion. So as you do this, each one of these Frayer models is broken apart in 4 areas, and it has a title in the center. The first biome you need to take notes on is the temperate deciduous forest. You'll notice the left upper quadrant is location, the right upper quadrant is climate, the left lower quadrant is for plants and animals, and then the right bottom quadrant is for interesting facts. I'm going to give you about 3 to 5 minutes starting now to copy down these notes. Please have everything on your note cards because this is what you'll study for a test. Your time starts now.